everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a DYMO personal label maker. This is the model number LT100H. It uses the LT label refills. Some of the features they talk about in front of this is this large display, the auto off power saver, and it has a date stamp and 195 symbols. It comes in this clamshell packaging, so we're going to unpackage it off camera and we'll bring it back in a minute to do a quick review. Alright, kind of got lucky. It just kind of pried apart. So we're going to pull this out. Comes with its own cartridge. There's the unit. Fits in the hand nicely. It's kind of ergonomic. That's good. Got a little cut button on the side. On the back of the packaging here, besides the directions, they talk about the 7 print styles. You got normal, bold, italic, outline, underline, shadow, and a DYMO, which is basically on the side, so you can have kind of a vertical binder type label. And they also have different LT labels. You can get plastic, different colors, clear plastic, iron-on type. That's kind of neat. Metallic. And some of the uses for this, obviously, for office, labeling files, that sort of thing. Kitchen, maybe. You know, anything you want to have your label on. Kids' school supplies. I don't believe it comes with batteries, but we'll check. We'll open up the back. Nope. Looks like it takes. Well, there's a little anti-theft device. 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to open up the top, see if there's any tape in there at all. Nothing is in there. Let's load up. They try to make it simple. They make the shape so it can really only go in one way. Take a little cardboard piece and press it in there. A nice satisfying click. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm just going to do a test. This is probably the most universal thing. I'm going to write test. I'm not going to format anything, I'm just going to hit print. It says printing. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It says test. Hit cut. Sweet. So right out of the box, kind of a paper label on this one. A little pixelation you can see on the S. But pretty neat. Price-wise on this, I'm thinking it was around $18. I'm going to go ahead and look it up online, and I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. I'm looking forward to using this. It is handy, it's small, and it's portable, and it's got a really nice feel to it. Some functionality for format and settings, and different sorts of tape. Looks like there's a save function here as well, so if you have a particular thing you're going to print a lot of, you can hit save. If you have something that's formatted a lot, or quite a bit, you don't want to lose all that formatting, do that. Turn it off now. There it is. Pretty capable little unit, and it won't break the bank. So there you go. That's the DYMO Letratag. This is model LT100H. That's it. Hope this helps. If you like the videos, hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.